Welcome to our channel. Discover the simplest and fastest method to verify your TaskEasy lawn care account. Without any hassle, welcome to our channel today. I'm going to walk you through a professional step-by-step guide on how to verify your TaskEasy lawn care account, ensuring a smooth and secure experience. From start to finish, first things first, make sure you have your account credentials ready, including your registered email address and password. Step 1. Begin by visiting the official TaskEasy website. Open the TaskEasy app on your smartphone. Once you are on the homepage, locate the Login or Sign In button and click on it. Step 2. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. Then click the Sign In button. If you do not already have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting the Sign Up option. And following the prompt, Step 3, after logging in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now look for the account verification prompt. This typically appears as notification or a banner that asks you to verify your email or phone number. Click on the verification link or button provided. Step 4. TaskEasy usually sends a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Depending on the option you choose, check your inbox or messages for this code. Enter the code exactly as you received in the verification field on the website or app. Step 5. Once you submit the verification code, your account will be confirmed. Look for a confirmation message that states your account is now verified. This means your profile is fully active and ready for use. Step 6. In case you do not receive the verification email or text, double-check your spam or junk folder. Also ensure that you entered the correct contact details. If problems persist, try resending the verification code or contacting TaskEasy support for further assistance. Step 7. With your account verified, you can now start browsing lawn care services, book appointments, and manage your requests seamlessly on TaskEasy. To keep your account secure, make sure to regularly update your password and monitor your account activity. Following this easy method will help you avoid any delays or issues when verifying your TaskEasy lawn care account, making your experience as smooth as possible. Don't forget to keep your login details safe and never share your verification codes with anyone else.